What else? Was I? Oh, bro, Jake, how dope was Batman ever?
They can't even hear Jake. So like now that
So,
has to get
bro,
like typed like he's gonna
well,
have they're
bro,
gonna
we
have to
got an
throw.
extra camera and an extra mic. So what we're gonna do is just put that camera on mic so I can get Jake's feedback,
Okay.
and it'll like just like Joe Rogan.
You
Like
could just
we're
throw
that
it in there.
legit.
You could like just throw in like the caption at the bottom and shit. Oh, how was Batman? Oh, Jake. Dot dot.
He said it was the best standalone superhero movie ever. I think that, and I'm geeking out with this shit, bro. The cinematography of it,
Mhm.
amazing. The cinematography of it was amazing, and the soundtrack, like overall, bro. Batman was in every scene. That man punches like a fucking. He's Superman. He punches like Superman.
Is this in theaters? Do they still do that anymore?
Yeah, we
So
went and
it's
saw
in
it on.
theaters.
We went and saw it Saturday morning.
Okay, like IMAX. Is that still a thing?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. They got like 5D or something now.
bro. No, so they do have this 4DX thing. So they have two different
You still wear
options.
those glasses?
No,
That's what is that? That's
so I got.
3D.
Let me tell you about this shitty movie theater. So they have a screen that goes from here to there to there, and like you can watch it like that.
It's like you're fucking in there.
But then I'm like, dude, like,
You spend most of the time. Oh, he over here. Oh, he
oh,
over there.
I was like, dude, that's stupid. Like, so we tried that one. That one was stupid. And then the like 4DX with like the moving chairs and the smells and the wind.
Yeah, I don't
The
know if I want the
smells made me want
smells.
to vomit,
Yeah, I don't know if I want the smells.
bro. The smells were awful. So
Dead
like, I
bodies
stick to
and shit.
IMAX.
Yeah.
I stick to IMAX.
Okay. That's crazy, man. Yeah, I ain't been in the movie theater really with like in a long time, obviously because of COVID and everything. But then like even with the kids, bro,
Kids,
like
bro.
maybe that's the benefit of owning a business too, is that I can fucking just go at freaking,
While they're at
11
school.
o'clock or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? While everybody else is in school, and still feel like you might have just bought out the whole theater. Yeah, kids, I brought it for you. We bought it out. We're gonna be the only ones here.
The meetup was dope though, bro. Thank you everybody who. I mean, most of the people who watch this are from Fresno. Thank you everyone who came. We had a great showing, and the next one's gonna be bigger. We're gonna start like running ads for these things. Like,
Hey, they thought one of the feedbacks that I was getting is that everyone loved like they call it the pyramid the pyramid type of leadership they said that we had here in the Central Valley. And it was like, I like how you guys like do that. Like, I don't know if it's like intentional or
what
I'm
you mean
like
pyramid?
pyramid. So like everyone who like you talk about like you and you talk about like with Jason and like people that you guys had learned from was like Alan and Matt and like say like Mike Zuber, like, and then from there it was like people like I look up to Jason and I get a lot of knowledge from Jason and I learned a lot from Dean, and just from there then there's so many younger guys who learn a lot from all of us.
Uh-huh.
And so it's like a pyramid type structure.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, I don't feel like it's like intentional in a sense of like we're like, okay, now we got to bring up these young guns. You know what I mean? Like it ain't like that, but it all stemmed from just being just giving. Just feel like you're just trying to create value or give value to others in your community to let them know what's possible. And you know what? We're from a community with a lot of blue collar people.
Yeah.
We got a lot of hard workers. We got a lot of people who are dedicated, who know how to work. They just don't know the right avenue
The right
sometimes to
vehicle.
make the right vehicle to make a lot of money with that type of work ethic. And so when we give free value, they take that hard work ethic, man, and they just go and they just fucking make money. So it's like it's not intentional, but it's funny that we got a green V on the back of our football helmets and shit here, but that's kind of what it's like. It's like
Yeah.
we're fucking throwing fucking fertilizer to the soil, and we got just a bunch of fucking crops, and those motherfuckers just grow
Every 2 years.
every 2 years.
No, it's like every 2 years, like because like it's everybody thinks this shit happens so fast, but it doesn't. But like usually like every 2 years, and you have like another person step in, and then another person stepping into another avenue.
Yeah.
Right. So like without like Alan left, and then Jason kind of replaced Alan.
Yeah.
Right. And then all Alan did was just step into a completely bigger game. But
Yeah.
then now Jason's there, and like so again, then we have Brad left.
Yeah.
Like so all those people,
and they really did, and that's funny that you say that. You know what I mean? Because they do. It looked like they just disappeared off Earth. You know what I mean? And I was talking to Mike Zuber, and I told him the same thing. I was like, I read a comment or something somewhere, and they was like shitting on us, talking about like, oh, you guys had this event and didn't even have the Michael Zuber there.
Mike didn't want to come.
And I told Mike, I said, where the fuck you been, Mike? I said, you know what? I said, he was right. I said, it pissed me off because he was right. You know, I said, when's the last time your ass has been here? You know what I mean? And that's not in a bad way, you know, because he's on a journey right now of helping other people or helping more people grow. You know what I mean? So he hasn't been necessarily here, but it's the same thing with Alan, right? He's teaching or helping like a different crowd at this point in time. Brad is still he still helps Jason do some of the shit that he does. But it's Brad just at a higher level. Yeah. So it seems like these people aren't around, but it's just you haven't just taken that next step yet to be closer.